Team 44, powered by Bracket Heating, Air, and Plumbing.
All right, good morning, everybody. Here's something that we haven't seen in a while, a really nice day in the weather department. Here's how it looks outside on that Evansville west-facing camera. Very blue sky overhead. Here's why that is. The air aloft is very, very dry. Here's the water vapor satellite imagery. Dry as a bone higher up in the atmosphere. The storms from the storm system we've been dealing with for the past couple of days is now producing thunderstorms down towards the Atlantic coast, closer to South Carolina and Georgia. Now, closer to home, we are getting some cooler and drier air back behind that same area of low pressure that's now situated towards northern Indiana. And we will be fairly nice today, but also pretty windy. The pressure lines packed pretty tightly together, as you just saw. So that means we're going to have a lot of wind heading into this afternoon. So winds this afternoon should get up to around 25, 30 miles per hour with the gusts later today. But temperature-wise, it should be pretty comfortable. Highs in the low to mid 70s for later on today. We see a couple more clouds overhead for later tonight, but still looking pretty nice overall. Just a slim chance for a little shower early tomorrow morning across parts of western Kentucky, but I think the vast majority of us will stay dry tonight and into early tomorrow morning. There will be a few more clouds overhead for Thursday afternoon. Still looking dry overall and quiet. Temperatures a little cooler than what we'll see today, as we only top out in the upper 60s tomorrow as opposed to the lower 70s that we'll see later this afternoon. Here's a look at those wind gusts. Again, really ramping up at around 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon. Dying back down somewhat later on tonight. That's often typical. Once the sun sets, you lose a lot of wind speeds typically as the temperatures cool back down. But then once we warm up again tomorrow afternoon, that gust will pick up again to 25 to 30 miles per hour for Thursday. So expect it to stay kind of blustery through Thursday. But for Friday, the next area of high pressure situates itself right over top of us. So we will have calmer winds for Friday and mainly dry weather. But into Saturday, the chances of rain do go back up. An area of low pressure develops over the plains. That brings some more moisture our way, and thus at least a chance for some showers on Saturday. Other than that, just mostly cloudy. A much greater chance moves in Sunday. And we're expecting scattered showers across a majority of the area Sunday morning. It doesn't look to be an all-day thing. It does look like it'll push down towards the south towards the end of the day in the late afternoon or early evening. That's good news for the Indy 500, which is happening Sunday afternoon. And into Memorial Day, unfortunately, it does look like those rain chances may linger somewhat. So here's how all of that looks in your 7-day. Most a mix of sun and clouds the rest of the afternoon with temperatures in the low 70s and windy. It will still be a little breezy tomorrow with a bit more cloud cover and cooler temperatures, upper 60s for highs Thursday. We're back up into the low and mid 70s Friday and Saturday before the rain chances start to come back in earnest Sunday and Monday with showers and storms possible there. Those will likely continue into Tuesday. But on the plus side, it does look like we don't have much of a chance for severe weather. That is because the temperatures will be cooler. You need warm, humid air for strong thunderstorms. And with temperatures in the 60s, looks to be just showers and general thunderstorms for the end of the weekend and the start of next week.
Thank you.